Hey ladies, this video is a bit of a surprise holiday insider view into my personal space during the holiday season. I wanted to show you ladies how you can take your signature color season and color palette and extend it into your home decor living area. Now, these are short clips of me showing you how I decorated my main formal living room utilizing signature colors from the deep winter color palette and the deep autumn color palette, as I am a signature deep winter woman of style who also flows into the deep autumn color season and color palette as well. And if you have no clue on what I'm talking about in terms of flow color seasons and being a deep winter and a deep autumn at the same time, I will link to a couple of videos for you to learn more about what it means to have a flow color season, or as I like to say, sister season, and you will get a better understanding of how you can blend both color seasons to work beautifully with the essence of your visual coloring in terms of your physical characteristics, which includes your hair, eye, and your natural skin coloring. So with that said, let's get into this short holiday insider view of how I've extended the deep winter color palette and the deep autumn color palette into my holiday home decor. So as I was planning out the holidays this year, I am completely obsessed with country style decor, country barn decor. I absolutely love the whole aesthetic of it. So I decided to utilize this country pattern of plaid, which is definitely highlighting the beautiful, gorgeous, deep autumn colors of tomato red, vibrant emerald green, gold, and beautiful creamy white. Now, to elevate the foundation of this country decor aesthetic, I found these lovely plaid emerald green, ruby red, and gold placemats that are quite beautiful for my small space where my dining table is placed. So taking the gold from the deep autumn color palette, having that extended into the rustic serving plates was a beautiful touch to this country themed aesthetic dining table for the holiday season. I then chose beautiful porcelain white plates to place on top of the rustic gold serving platter as a way to create contrast between the emerald green and the ruby reds against the rustic gold, and then having a pop of crisp white was a really beautiful choice to elevate the sitting area for my guests this holiday season. I then found this gorgeous, stunning tomato red threaded in gold placemat that I used as the centerpiece to follow in line with the whole country theme aesthetic for the holiday season. How cute are these gold cherubs? I found these at a thrift shop a few years ago and I absolutely love them. They are candle holders that give that country rustic cozy feel, and I absolutely love the way it looks on the table. I then found these gorgeous gold candles at my local dollar store, and they completed the centerpiece quite beautifully. It was a match made in heaven. Now, during the week when I was on my shopping excursion to get everything ready for the holiday season, I came across this lovely brand by the name of Akcam. They are located in Turkey and they make the most beautiful, elegant dinnerware and serving plates I have come across in a very long time. Now, this particular mini serving platter is from their holiday collection, and look at the stunning ruby red color of this particular mini serving platter. It is absolutely stunning. And if you are interested in learning more about this brand or finding a signature piece for your dining table for the holiday season or perhaps next holiday season, I will link to this particular brand below in the show notes. But when I saw this mini serving platter, it went absolutely beautifully with the whole country theme and aesthetic that I was going for. And it also added a hint of glamour to the overall presentation of the table. So I decided to place it in front of the crystal vase. I also placed some candies inside of it. Closer to Christmas Day, I will probably have the mini platter filled with cupcakes and candy canes and little hors d'oeuvres for when my guests come. Now, the table is pretty much set. I am absolutely happy with the outcome of my cozy country theme for this year. It is just the perfect blend of deep autumn and deep winter colors. I just realized that I more lean toward the deep autumn colors. That is my sister color season, but you will also see the same colors weaved through other areas of my home. So here we have my formal living room area, and I simply extended the signature colors from the deep autumn and deep winter into the decorations in this room. My Christmas tree is blinged out in deep winter and deep autumn colors. I absolutely love the ambiance and the energy of deep red accent colors throughout my home decor this year, as you can see them on the cushions. And here is the final setup of my country themed dining table for when my guests arrive on Christmas Eve. Happy holidays to you lovely ladies, and do not forget to check out my ongoing RWS holiday color branding series, where I have been discussing your best decadent, luxurious holiday colors and your New Year's Eve colors that you can incorporate into your festive holiday outfits. So with that said, I hope that you enjoyed this insider mini view of my home for the holiday season. Let me know below what colors you intend on utilizing from your signature color season and color palette to decorate your home this year. I'd love to hear your feedback on how you are utilizing your signature color season and color palette to create a magical space for you and your family this holiday season. See you in the next video.